I'm standing here in front of a very unique cultivar of a plant called Aucuba japonica, Japanese Aucuba. Now this plant in a lot of ways looks like it could be fake. It's got a waxy appearance to it. It really does look like a plastic plant in a lot of ways. Now Aucubas have lost favor, or did lose favor, probably in all of the early 2000s. But it really has regained favor with the addition of new cultivars onto the market. And Aucubas are starting to get a little bit interesting again as new cultivars come out onto the market. This one right here has this variegation in it that's quite dappled, but of course you can get Aucubas in just green foliage. Aucubas are dioecious, again meaning two houses, separate male and female plants. If you do have a female Aucuba, it has red fruit on it that's maybe the size of a very large jelly bean to a marble size, but oblong in shape, and can get it's quite attractive. It can get red, dark red, and it looks pretty on the plant. Aucuba is known to be a shade plant, and why these variegated cultivars are so popular is because it really does bring a little bit of light into dark areas. You can plant this in the shade, and these yellow variegations on here, or even if it was white variegation, it tends to catch the sunlight a little bit more and bring in some light into darker areas. Aucuba tends to get, you can see just above me, 6.5 to 7 foot high, can spread out 5 foot wide, and it's a great plant for the shade garden to bring a little bit of extra interest in. Again, Aucuba japonica, sometimes you'll hear this called Japanese Aucuba or Japanese laurel. The leaves are alternately arranged. This is a broad-leafed evergreen. Here's a landscape tip. Generally easy to grow. Some root rots can be a problem. Plant in partial shade or shady conditions.